contoured crown. That means you don't have to do any extra adjustments in this particular crowns. And also it is a cost effective. So let's have a deeper knowledge about stainless steel crowns. So in stainless steel, whenever you are trying to buy a kit for your stainless steel crown preparations, what type of instruments you will use? So first and foremost important is this plier. This is called a crimping plier. You should always have a crimping plier, a good pair of scissors, and a straight hoe plier. These three pliers are enough if you are a beginner and you want to start your practice with stainless steel crowns. Also, in case of burrs, which type of burrs you will use? So you will use a small straight burr, that is SF41, then a tapered Fisher burr, that is MI53F, and acrylic burr. So what are the steps of crown preparation? So let's have a look on this. So first and foremost important thing is you will do an occlusal reduction. Now I will tell you the